What customer appreciation events work for a pop-up drink stand? The events that work best are simple loyalty perks like a punch card giveaway, a surprise flavor day, and a themed happy hour where regulars get first access to new drinks before anyone else. Think of your drink stand like a lemonade stand that wants people to keep coming back instead of just buying once and forgetting about you. A punch card is powerful because it turns a random purchase into a game, and after a set number of drinks, the customer gets one free, which makes people feel like they are winning something instead of just spending money. A surprise flavor day works because it creates a reason to show up on a specific day, almost like a treasure hunt for a drink that will not be there tomorrow. Something most people do not know is that timing these events around local paydays or school pickup times can double your foot traffic, because people already have cash and free time at those moments. Another secret trick is inviting your most loyal customers to taste test a new drink before it launches, because people love feeling like insiders. This also gives you free feedback before you commit to buying a bunch of new ingredients. The key is making customers feel special, seen, and rewarded, not just sold to. One common mistake is making the reward too hard to get, like requiring 20 drinks before a free one, which makes people give up early, so keeping it around 8 to 10 drinks keeps them motivated. Another mistake is announcing events too late, like the morning of. So posting your surprise flavor or happy hour 2 to 3 days ahead gives people time to plan and tell friends. A third thing to watch for is treating every customer the same, when really your regulars deserve a little extra attention, so learning a few names and favorite orders goes a long way in making appreciation events feel personal instead of generic. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.